Hi friends, welcome to Digestive Max. நான் உங்கள் புருஷோத்தமன். Today we have to see AP second chapter, 10th standard second chapter AP. If the sum of three consecutive terms is given, then we take three terms as A minus D, comma, A, comma, A plus D. Suppose if the sum of four consecutive terms of an AP is given, then the four terms can be taken as A minus 3D, comma, A minus D, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 3D. கூட்டுத்தொடரின் அடுத்தடுத்த 4 உறுப்புகளின் கூடுதல் அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஏபியில் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா அந்த 4 டேர்ம்ஸை நம்ம எப்படி எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D அப்படின்னு நம்ம எடுக்கணும். Let us see one important sum in AP. The sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is 27 and their product is 288. Find the 3 terms. So the given solution, already we know if the sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is given, then we take the 3 terms as let the 3 consecutive terms. Let the 3 consecutive terms are A minus D, comma, A plus D. Now come to the question. The sum of 3 consecutive, sum means addition. So their sum equal to 27. Sum means addition. Now we add these 3 terms A minus D, comma, A plus D. We add these 3 terms plus equal to 27. Here minus D plus D cancel. So A plus A, 3A. 3A equal to 27. Now A equal to 27 by 3 equal to 9. So the first term A equal to 9. What is the information given in the question? The second one, their product is 288. The product is 288. Product means multiplication. So the product of 3 consecutive terms, D into A plus D equal to 288. So we take right A first, then A minus D into A plus D. Already we know A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. The same way A minus D into A plus D equal to A square minus D square equal to 288. So we substitute the value of A equal to 9. Already we find A equal to 9 in this equation. So what is the value of A? 9 into A square, 9 square minus D square equal to 288. So 9 9s are 81 minus D square equal to 288. Next step, 81 minus D square equal to 288 divided by 9. When we cancel 9th table, 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18. So 81 minus D square equal to 32. From the question, the product of 3 consecutive terms is 288. So product means multiplication. So a minus d into a plus d equal 288. First we write a, then a minus d into a plus d equal to a square minus d square equal to 288. Then we substitute the value of a equal to 9, already we find a equal to 9. So 9 square minus d square equal 288. Again 9 square 81 minus d square 288. 81 minus d square equal to 288. We divide 9. The answer is 32. So 81 minus d square equal to 32. Next step, d square equal to 81 minus 32. D square equal to 49. So d equal to plus or minus 7. D equal to plus or minus 7. A equal to 9. D equal to two values, plus 7 1, minus 7 1. First we take plus value, plus 7. Then the three terms are already we know a minus d, a plus d. We substitute the value of a and d. A 9 minus d value 7, a 9. A d value 7 equal to 9 minus 7 2. This is 9. 9 plus 7 16. Suppose if a equal to 9, d equal to minus 7, then the three terms are, what is the three terms? A 9 minus 7. A minus d, a plus d. So 9 minus into minus 7 plus 9 plus 7 16. Here 9, here 9 minus 7 2. These are the three terms. 16, 9, 2. Now let us see sum of n terms of a GP. There are three formulas. The first one, if r equal to 1, then sum of NP is Sn equal to Na. Here r equal to 1. Suppose r is less than 1. R is less than 1. If r less than 1, then Sn formula equal to A 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. If r greater than 1, then Sn equal to A r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. These are the three formulas to find n terms of GP. To find sum of n terms of GP, there are three formulas. The first formula is if r equal to 1, Sn equal to Na. If r less than 1, Sn equal to A into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. If r is greater than 1, then Sn equal to A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now let us see the sum. The question is, find the sum of the geometric series. Given series is 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus etc. plus 1536. Here, what is a solution? Given 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus etc. 1536. This is the given series. Here a equal to first term 3, r equal to second term t2 by t1 equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2. Here we also find n. For that, the given, we know Tn equal to nth term, Tn equal to 1536. Tn, what is the Tn formula? a r power n minus 1 equal to 1536. Here a what is the value? 3. A value 3 or r value 2. 2 power n minus 1 equal to 1536. Next step, 2 power n minus 1 equal to 1536 divided by this 3. When we cancel that table, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2 power n minus 1 equal to 512. Already we know 2 power n minus 1 equal to 2 power 9. 512 is 2 power 9. That is the product of 9 times 2. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are 256, 256 2s are 512. This is 2 power 9. So we can write 512 as 2 power 9. Here the base are same, so the powers are same. So n minus 1 equal to 9. So n equal to 9 plus 1, n equal to 9 plus 1, 10. Now we have to find the solution of the given sum. Given series is 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus etc. plus 1536. Here the first term a equal to 3, common ratio r equal to t2 by t1, t2 is 6, 6 by 3 equal to 2. Now we have to find the n. Here last term, that is tn, last term is 1536. Already we know tn equal to a r power n minus 1 formula. So a r power n minus 1 equal to 1536. Next substitute the value of a equal to 3, r equal to 2, 2 power n minus 1 equal to 1536. Next step, 2 power n minus 1 equal to 1536 divided by 3. When we cancel that double, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. Next step, 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1 equal to 512. 2 power n minus 1 equal to 512, we can write 2 power 9. Here the base are same, the powers are also same. So n minus 1 equal to 9, n equal to 9 plus 1, n equal to 10. Here r equal to 2, so it's r, if r greater than 1, then Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 is the formula. Here we substitute. What is the n? Yes, n is 10 equal to a. What is a? 3. A 3, r is 2, 2 power n. What is n? 10 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Here 3, 2 power 10, already we know 1024. 1024 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, 1. Here 3 into 1024 minus 1, 1023. Multiply by 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, 0 into 3 0, 1 3s are 3. So the sum of n terms of the given GP is 3069. Now let us see an important sum. This is neither AP nor GP. So we split this series into two series, then we find the solution. Now let us see the sum. Solution: let Sn equal to sum of n terms of the given series. Sn equal to 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus etc. up to n terms. Up to n terms. Okay, n terms. Now we take 5 outside, 5 into 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus etc. up to n terms. Up to n terms. Next, we multiply by 9 and divide by 9. Multiply by 9 and divide by 9. Multiply 9 ones are 9. 9 into 11, 999. 9 into 111, 999 plus etc. up to n terms. Here multiply by 9 and divide by 9. 9 by 9, 1. Okay. There is no change in values. 5 by 9. Then we can write 9 as 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. Plus 100, 99. 100 minus 1. Plus 999, 1000 minus 1. Plus etc. n terms. Okay. Next, we split this series into 2. 5 by 9. The first series 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus etc. plus n terms. This is first series. Minus, what are the second terms? All are minus. So 1, 1, 1. So minus, you take minus common outside, then all the elements are plus. So 1 plus, here also 1 plus, here also 1 plus, up to n terms. So the given series is divided into 2 series. Now we have to find the sum of first series. What is the first series? 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus etc. plus n terms. Here this is the GP. Okay. Here A equal to 10, R equal to second term by first term, T2 by T1. Common ratio R equal to T2 by T1 equal to T2 is 100. 100 divided by T1, 10. So common ratio R equal to 10. Here A equal to 10, comma R equal to 10. So R is greater than 1. So we use Sn formula equal to Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 formula. Now let us see the solution for the given problem. Let Sn equal to 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus etc. plus n terms. Next step, we take 5 as common outside. 5 into 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus etc. plus n terms. Multiply by 9 and divide by 9 given series. So 5 into multiply by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 11s are 99. 9 into 111, 999 plus etc. n term. Also divide 9. Next step, 5 by 9. We can write 9 as 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. Plus 99, 100 minus 1, 99. Plus 1000 minus 1, 999. Plus etc. n terms. Next step, we split the given series into 2. The first series 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus etc. n terms. Next step, we take minus common outside. So inside all the terms are plus. So first term plus 1, again plus 1, again plus 1 plus etc. plus n terms. We take the first series 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus etc. n term. This is the given. It is the GP. It's a GP. So what is the first term? A equal to 10. Common ratio R equal to T2 by T1 equal to T2 is 100, 100 by 10. 100 by 10 equal to 10. So in this sum, first term is 10 and common ratio also 10. So we use the formula. So Sn for the first series is A. What is A? 10 into R also 10, R for n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 equal to 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9. This is the sum of first series Sn. Next, sum of the second series 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus etc. up to n terms. Already we know if R equal to 1, Sn equal to Na. Here n is n, A is 1. So the sum of the given second series is, answer is Sn equal to, already 5 by 9 outside. First series answer 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9. The second answer is minus n. When we take 5 inside, 5 tens are 50 by 9 nines are 81 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 5n by 9. This is the sum of n terms of the given series. The answer is Sn equal to 50 by 81 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 5n by 9. Let us see another important sum. Find the sum of n terms of the series 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus etc. Now we have to find the solution. Given series is 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus etc. So let Sn equal to 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus etc. up to n terms. Then we take 3 as common. 3 as common, 3 into 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus etc. plus n terms. Next step, we multiply 9 and divide 9. So 3, the multiply 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 11s are 99 plus 9 into 111, 999 plus etc. plus n terms. Also divide by 9. Here 3 by 9 cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So take outside, 1 by 3 is the answer. Here we can write 9 as 10 minus 1 plus 99 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1, 999, 1000 minus 1 plus etc. plus n terms. Here we divide the given series into two series. The first one 1 by 3 into the first one 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus etc. plus n terms. Plus what if we take minus as common outside, so the inner values 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus etc. plus n terms. Okay, already we know the given first series, the GP. First series GP 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus etc. plus n terms. Here A equal to 10, R equal to T2 by T1, 100 by 10 equal to 10. Here R is greater than 1, so Sn formula, Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Here A value, what is A? 10 into R power 10 power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, 10 minus 1 equal to 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9. This is the sum of the first series. Already we know the sum of the second series is n. The sum of the second series is n. So the final answer is Sn equal to 1 by 3. First series, what is the answer? 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9 minus second answer n. Then we multiply inside 1 by 3. 1 into 10, 10 by 3 nines are 27 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 1 into n by 3. This is the sum of n terms of the given series. Okay friends, thank you. நாங்கள் போடுற வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். வீடியோஸை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் பெல் ஐக்கானை நீங்கள் டச் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் போடுற லேட்டஸ்ட் வீடியோஸ் எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு வந்து நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் வரும். தேங்க்யூ.